Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x Learning today. Let's see a demo on how to use Lambda functions in Excel with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, we will be using ChatGPT in our day-to-day operations even if we encounter any issues. If you are not sure what to proceed next, we can use the same issues or error in ChatGPT. It will guide us as how to proceed for the next step. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. If you are someone using Excel in your day-to-day job, let me tell you something: you are going to be replaced unless you are integrating AI in your Excel. If you integrate AI in your Excel workflow, let me tell you something: you are going to be 10x more productive and you will be getting that promotion that you deserve. If you want to learn all this, join me for my 2 hours workshop on Excel using AI. Okay, so I am going to give this prompt. Okay, this will be the thing: create a basic Lambda function. Okay, so like for example, if I give the value 2 plus 3, it should give into 4, it should give me the result. Okay, we will see a basic example. You will come to know. Okay. What is a lambda like that? You will come to know with the example: create a basic lambda function Excel that add numbers and then multiply the sum by a third number. I will explain you. Okay, with an example. Okay, better will make everything 3. It should not prompt it again, so we will see it. Okay, it's giving the prompt it's giving. Okay, so for example, if you want to, okay, with this is the example, I will tell you 2 plus 3 5 into 4 or 20. Okay, so imagine like this type of operations we may need to use in different places. Okay, so we have a functions like this. We are supposed to define a function and we need to give different values. Okay, function means what it will be called in different places with the different values. Okay, the next time when you are calling it may need not to be of 2 plus 3 plus 4, it can be 9 plus 9 plus 5, but it should give the exact result and we need not to execute the same formula again and again. Alright. It has to, we need to reduce it. Okay, for example. Okay, this same part, this lambda thing, I am taking to Excel. For example, I'm giving okay. I'm giving over here so 20. Okay, the same thing if I give 5 over here, what it is adding 2 plus 3 5 into 420. If I give over here, it should be 32. Okay, so but we need to do in a different way. Okay, so before we execute, guys, one important update. Okay, as you all aware that it is taking over the world in such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, so it won't replace you, but the person using it will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours at Tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best at tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. All the installation steps and other tools will be explained detail in our Be10x program, so make your future secure with us and join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so this will be our link. Okay, be10x.in. Okay, if you go over here be10x.in, and here you can see all the upcoming workshops like a tools workshop, office using a workshop, those things here. If you register here, it will ask what will be the next details. Okay, like the when will be the next workshop. Okay, and why to join this course, and what you will learn from this workshop. So don't miss it, guys. Okay, definitely it will help you. Okay, now let's go back to our coding part. Okay, so we have seen in this example it's 32. We cannot do in each and every place is right about this. Okay, and before that I will explain from here. What is written? Defend the lambda function. Okay, and let's ask what is lambda. Okay, if you want to know. Okay, powerful, relatively new feature that allows you to create custom reusable function. Okay, that means we can use it anywhere. That is called custom. Okay, instead of a Excel inbuilt function, it is a custom function. Okay, we'll see without having to write them in VBA. Earlier time we used to keep VBA for that also. There are some demo as we have given and we need not write them in VBA. A lambda function lets you define a formula that can be used like any other built-in function. Okay, this is the keyword. Okay, it is we are for defining a function. That function can be used in anywhere else, and these are the advantages like customization, reusability, no VBA record. Okay, so these are the part because just I want to make you understand what is lambda. Okay, so here it is to define the lambda function first. We need to define the lambda function. Open Excel, go to cells, anywhere you want to define the lambda function will be given in 3 parameters. Okay, which will be the sum. Okay, so a comma b comma c it is given. Okay, so and then it is giving these formulas defines a lambda function that takes 3 argument. Okay, a comma b comma c like earlier we have given here, write 5 comma 3 comma 4. We have given rate like that. Okay, so it is given. Okay. So what I'm doing here. I am taking this, I'm copying the code, I'm keeping in some others. Okay, instead of better, I will delete it here. So that you should not get confused, I'm giving here. Okay, this is the lambda function. Okay, if I execute here it will ask the reference because I have not given the value, let's hold it. Okay, name the function. Okay, and you can optionally name the function for reuse. To do this, go to the formula step. Okay, so he's telling us go to the formula. Here is the formula step. Okay, I'm deleting it just for understanding purpose. Go to the formula step and go to the click the name manager and then give your function example, add multiply some name. Okay, we can give paste the lambda function formula in refers to box. Okay, you'll see. Okay, so I'm copying this code. Okay. I'm going over here as per the suggested. I'm going to name manager, I'm giving new over here. Okay, I'm giving add multiply, this is the name. So wherever I'm using this, if I want to do this calculation, I can refer this. Okay, I will explain. Okay, and here I'm giving the formula whatever I have called calculated. Okay, you can use any name over here, so this will point over here. Okay, close. Okay, so now it has and next what it is telling, so use the function. Now you can use this lambda function like any other function cell. For example, if you name it add multiply, you can use it in the cell. What they're telling means if I'm going over here, okay, equal to C. Now when I give add means it is showing this add multiply, that means this is the lambda function like name add multiply we have given. Okay, I'm giving this step. So that will come, I am giving 2, 2, 2, so the value has come right what it has to come. Okay, similarly it will be like 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 into 2, 10. Okay, if I want to get this same function in somewhere else with the different values, I will give here is equal to add multiply. If you give tab it will come over here 7, 7, 7, okay, 98. Okay, so this is the advantage of this lambda function, guys. So imagine in your case example, you need to encounter these type of activities. It need not to be the same formula. Okay, you can use any other formula. You can give a big formulas also, this will fun execute it. Okay, so this is the way to use the lambda function. Any help you can use ChatGPT for your reference. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. See you again. Bye. Bye, take care.